Business owners are burning thousands of dollars a month on virtual assistants just to answer simple emails. Today, I am going to show you how to build a custom AI employee that works 24/7 for exactly $0 using make.com. First, we open make.com and create a new scenario. We click the plus button, search for Gmail, and drop in the Watch Emails module. This tells our system to constantly scan your inbox for new customer questions. No coding required, just drag and drop. Before we build, look at the architecture. Make.com is the CEO. It catches the email, hands it to ChatGPT to write the reply, and then saves it as a draft. Let's look at the screen and build it. Next, we connect the brain. We add the OpenAI module and select Generate a Response. To make this work, we need to wire it up by creating a new connection and pasting in our secret API key. Once we are securely plugged in, we select the latest ChatGPT model from the drop-down menu and set our prompt type to text prompt. This is where the real magic happens. We give ChatGPT a master prompt. You are a professional customer service agent for the digital edge. Read the customer's email and write a polite, helpful reply in under 3 sentences. You just automated a process that usually takes a human 3 hours a day. But the prompt we gave ChatGPT is basic. Let me show you how to make it sound exactly like you. Finally, we add one more Gmail module, create a draft. Make.com takes the AI's perfect response and securely tucks it right into your email drafts folder. Hit the auto-align wand to clean up the architecture, and you are done. Tomorrow morning, you just wake up, sip your coffee, review the AI's drafts, and hit send. But does it actually work? Let's prove it. I sent a test email asking for help. We hit run in make.com, and instantly a perfectly formatted, highly professional response is sitting right here in my Gmail drafts. I didn't type a single word. The system is alive, and your time is officially yours again. The barrier to automating your business just dropped to 0. The economy is splitting into 2 groups, those who do the manual work and those who automate it. Subscribe to the Digital Edge to make sure you are on the right side.